my lovely friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make Persian amazing food. This starts with chicken. First of all, I'm gonna show you how to fry these and how to marinate all of these amazing and delicious chicken. I put butter in the pan and I want to fry these chickens. And after that, I'm marinating with saffron and other spices. I love this food very much because this is so easy and it smells like heaven. It's so amazing. I love that. After heating up our butter, and now I want to marinate a little bit here with black pepper and a little bit salt. We are massaging well, and while you're massaging, you can add your chicken in the pan for frying. Like here, I'm adding from this side. I put in the pan from this side. It needs time to be fried a little bit, and after that, I will show you how it's going on. Well, after frying our chicken, as you can see, it's a little bit hot. It's time to cut our onions and adding on top of that. Listen to this sound. This is a therapy. Sounds of life. We cut like this. Now I'm crying because of this onion. I'm adding on top of these chickens. Oh my eyes. Ding, 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 di, 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 di. Oh my eyes. I cut my onion as the shape as I wanted. And also we need 2 garlics. And also I'm adding this garlic on top of that. Well, look at the color of my saffron. This is so amazing with ice. Now I want to add on top of this chicken and onion. Now it's time to close the lid and let it be cooked very well. Well, our chicken is ready. Let me show you. Look at the color and smell. It's amazing. Also, for cooking our rice, we need boiled water, which I boiled before. I pour it to the pot, and I soaked off my rice before, and now I want to add to this boiled water. We need 4 cups of this rice. It should be boiled for around 10 minutes, and after that I will show you. Also, we are adding salt to our rice. Well, now it's time to remove the water of this rice. I want to show you. This is our waterless boiled rice that I want to use as tahching and also rice. Let me show you. First of all, for making tahching, in a bowl, you crack 1 egg, 2 spoons of saffron for absorbing the bad scent. It's time to add our yogurt. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 spoons of yogurt. We are mixing well. Even you can add little bit cardamom or rose water. At this stage, we are adding our waterless boiled rice. And you're starting to mix it well. We need more saffron. I want to put this rice, hatching rice, on the bottom of this pot, and after that put my rice on top of that. Well, we need water for pouring this mixture to the bottom of this pot. Well, a generous amount of water. I'm going to show you. I'm putting the cooker. Well, we need black pepper, salt. 2 or 3 seeds of that is enough, I think. Cardamom is enough for us. Adding and spreading all these ingredients to the bottom of this pot. Like here. We should little bit wait to little bit thickening and little bit hardening of this hatching, and after that we are adding this rice to the top of that hatching. Well, let me show you our hatching, which is like this and become thickened. Now it's time to add our rice on top of that hatching. And the first layer mustn't be visible. It must be like this, and I put the lid. It must be cooked for around 30 minutes. Well, our rice is ready. Let me show you. I wrap the lid inside of this fabric for absorbing vapors, and also now I want to saute a little bit of this barberry. Well, inside of that, now I just want to soaking off a little bit rose water with almond and pistachio for decorating of my chicken with rice. This rose water was so much for this almonds. Now I want to pour a little bit of that to another bowl. I just want to separate these. Now I'm adding my pistachio. 4 spoons of pistachio. Now it's time to add our raisin. Barberry. The taste is perfect. We saute this raisin, this barberry, with butter. And if you want, you can add a little bit sugar, but I'm not adding that. Now it's time for serving our zereshk polo. This is dancing of the colors. Chikili pikili goo.